Niggas is smoking a hookah. You know?
Damn, really?
This nigga think he think is Lizzo.
Yeah.
Nah, not yet.
No, I just started it. Yeah.
Smoke.
No,
Smoke?
so much.
Cause you just took bass head hits. Yo, how you take some bass head hits like that? You gotta smoke it smooth, my nigga, like this. Like, look.
Yeah, she got me. Don't do it, please.
Yeah, I'm not taking no hit like that. You look crazy.
Oh, yeah. That shit tastes dumb good.
My God.
Hold that real quick.
That shit sound weird.
Damn, alright, nigga, damn. Yo, what you do? Yo, I swear to God. Yo,